Okay, so today we're going to be planting up our little huckleberries here. We have 3, and bunchberries, of which we have 3. So it's a perfect location back here at the back of our shade garden. It's almost full shade, so these guys will be very happy here. They do not like or require very much sun, just a dappled bit of sun, but it's mostly shade. And these little guys can grow up to 10 feet in the shade. So this is ideal for them, and we're just going to put 3 of them right along the back panel of this fence back here so we can get filling in this bare area. So we thought we would do the little bunchberries too. Same thing, they require mostly shade. They don't take full sun at all, so a little bit of dappled would be okay. Morning sunlight would be all right too, and then the fence shades them in the hottest part of the day, which is the afternoon. They may get a little bit of sun in the evening, but not very much at all. So ideal for these guys because they like lots of shade. So we're going to be planting these up. This is the huckleberry, evergreen huckleberry, and I wanted to show you the lovely pink flowers, white and pink flowers. So this is really ideal for the wildlife. It's really good for early bees and the hummingbirds. And once the berries come out, the birds really love the berries. You want to keep these guys really well mulched, so it helps retain moisture and keep the roots cool. They also make a really good hedge. They're slow growing, so you don't really need to prune these except to take out anything that's dead or diseased. They're pretty low maintenance. They start out bronzy red and then they turn to a really nice dark green. So that'll be nice for some winter interest. These bunchberries are mostly for ground cover. They don't get very tall, 6 to 8 inches at most. All these little buds here, these are going to bloom. They look like a dogwood flower, so I can't wait to show you what those are going to look like. And they like a really moist and composty area, of course, because they typically grow in the forest. And they turn really nice shades of red in the fall. So this little trillium is a single flower on top of 3 leaves. They're really quite magical. And it turns into a little berry that the birds like. Okay, so here is everything all put in the ground. We got our little bunchberries here, and our huckleberries, and our little trillium. We'll give you a little update when those little bunchberries start to blossom. So hey, thanks for popping by, and we'll catch you on the next one. cleaning up the weeds for us.